What's going on, everyone? Tony Ambler-Wright and Wendy from NASM here, and we're just going to do a short video on this center of gravity challenge. Wendy and I are pretty competitive, so anytime she gets a chance to make me look foolish, she's all about it. So the center of gravity challenge, if you guys aren't familiar, essentially is done from a plank position on the knees, and basically, women are supposed to be more successful at this than men, and we'll talk a little bit about why that might be. But first, let's see if I can do it. Let's see if Wendy can do it. All right? So we'll get into our plank. Then we get hands under the face, and then we go hands behind the back. And that didn't work out too well for me. So, nice work. So what is this? Why is it that women tend to have an easier time doing this? Well, Wendy would like to think it's because of her superior strength, and oftentimes it is. In this case, generally speaking, females, based on their anatomical structure, have lower centers of mass, lower centers of gravity than men, generally speaking. And so for the majority of couples and people who do this, that's the reason why women tend to be more successful, or females tend to be more successful than their male counterparts with this particular challenge. So again, generally speaking, based on female anatomy, their centers of gravity are lower, which once they lose that base of support with their arms, allows them to stay more upright. I'm sure there's some core strength, core stability, and some other things at play here, maybe with me and Wendy, but that's by and large the primary reason. There's another thing too. A lot of these videos are shown from the front, and if we were to turn ourselves, we're kind of limited on space here in our living room, but if we were to turn ourselves and others who've done the challenge were to turn themselves, you might notice that individuals may shift their weight back, so they might move their butts closer to their heels just a little bit, but it might be enough to offset losing that support from the arms and allow them to stay more upright. So a couple things at play that could be influencing the success or lack thereof of the people doing this challenge. So thanks, sweetie. Appreciate that. Thanks everyone for watching. If you have any questions, let us know. But this was fun. More fun for her than it was for me, obviously. See you later.
Bye.